Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this Mac Techs. In this video, we are going to have another interesting unboxing. Here I have Promate 2-in-1 headphone. The beauty of this device is you can use this as a headphone and Bluetooth speaker. Let's have a quick features tour. Here we have a 2-in-1 high-definition wireless headphone with speaker. The mic is two-way sounds and 6-volt powerful speaker. You can use this device for music and call. Charging time is just 2 to 3 hours, but the playing time is 8 to 12 hours with 26 hours standby times. And the battery capacity is 900 milliampere and operating distance is 10 meter. And they are giving 2 years exchange warranty. And you can use as a plug and play with a music and call, 26 hours standby hours, and you can have a noise isolation features as well. Immersive music, adjustable headband, built-in FM radio. We have smart controller, paired ear cups with 12 hours playing times. With this brief introduction, let's have a quick unboxing.
Here we have the headphone. Let's unshield this. Complete spec is given here. Let's open to get the product. Let's take this big boy. Here we have the controller with the indicator and soft leather. I can feel the softness and the build quality. Adjustable ear cups. Here we have the built-in mic, aux port and charging port. Here we can adjust the height. Fine. Let's take this small box. What we have inside. Yes. Here we have the charging cable and aux cable. Additionally, they gave the user manual of Promate. You can go through how to operate the device and connect with other devices. You can fold this headphone in this way and you can keep inside the laptop bag or in any small space. And this way also you can fold this headphone. Is very nice. Now let's charge the device before we connect into the Bluetooth. Let's connect the Bluetooth. And here we have Corvin and it is connected. Yes.
Hello world, this is Shiraj.
Here we have Bluetooth speaker mode. We can swap into headphone mode as well.
Most of the popular video conferencing software, whether it's for office work or a virtual coffee with friends. So
if you want to swap, we can turn these ear cups like this. Now it is in headphone mode. Let's turn to other side.
Brush up on some basic etiquette.
Now it is in Bluetooth speaker mode.
With groups of essential etiquette. It's also a good rule, no matter your group size. If you have
Here
children,
can
pets,
see the
or
speaker,
frequent
Promate speaker.
the same for your camera.
The sound level is maximum.
Your appearance.
Now it's turning to headphone mode. Swapping to Bluetooth. So it's quickly you can turn to Bluetooth speaker mode and headphone mode. So that is the beauty of this device and unique features of this device.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the ring bell. Then you will be notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.